Alright, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, my beautiful fingers, and these beautiful strings, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see, and then also have me talk you through it in depth, so it's like a double whammy. So the first chord that we need is the A minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, so it's going to look like this, and it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, so it's going to look like that, and it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 1st fret, so it's going to look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. Awesome. The next chord is the D7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, so it should look like this. And then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, so it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those were all the chords we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just started learning these chords. I picked up the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I ain't got time for strumming. Please do not teach me strumming right now. I got you. So the first way we're gonna play this song is just going to be with a simple down strum. So you're gonna strum down with your thumb. You're gonna strum all 4 strings. And then whenever you see a new chord, you're just gonna strum down. So again, you're just gonna strum down all 4 strings. It'll sound absolutely amazing. Also, what I do want to note is that the full downloadable PDF chord sheet for this song, which again is the full lyrics and the chords right above the word, you can download the PDF chord sheet that I created on Patreon only. It's a $5 monthly subscription service, and you get access to all of the songs that we've done on the channel, and you get to download them, save it on your laptop, computer, phone, tablet, whatever, and it also helps support this channel and helps me do more videos. So if you do want to support this channel and get the downloadable PDF chord sheet, that will be down below. But again, the full ukulele play along will be live on my channel for free very soon. And again, that also does have the lyrics and chords on screen, so your choice. But again, you're just going to do an easy strum down whenever you see a new chord, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. Alright, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and actually how I played it in the full ukulele play along video. So that strumming pattern is just going to be a down, down, up. So you're going to do that strumming pattern again, down, down, up. You're going to do that once for every chord, and there is going to be an instance where you're going to do a strumming pattern of a down, down, up, down, up. But we'll talk about that just in a second. But again, majority of the song is going to be a down, down, up strumming pattern, and then there's going to be a section when you hear it kind of just has a longer note. It'll be a down, down, up, down, up. So I'm going to show you how that's going to look like. So we'll do a little mini play along section right here. So when you start off the song, it's going to be, who knows how long I loved you. You know I love you still. So that part where it says you still, so for that E minor, it's gonna get the down, down, up, down, up. But the rest of the chords are getting that down, down, up, and then it goes you still. For the E minor, it's gonna go a down, down, up, down, up. So again, to recap, a majority of the chords are gonna get the down, down, up, but there is gonna be instances where a chord gets a longer note, so that longer strumming pattern, which is the down, down, up, down, up. And in the full play along video, I will make a note of when exactly you're gonna use each strumming pattern, if it's gonna be the down, down, up, or the down, down, up, down, up. So you'll definitely see that in the play along, and you'll also just hear it in the song as well. So those are the 2 different ways you can play this song on the uke. Alright, so we talked about the chords and the couple different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play I Will by the Beatles on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and learning this song. Also, if you just have recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my personal opinion. Thank you so much for being here. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful looking, sounding, amazing looking uke? Please give me the details. I need to know. I got you. This is a concert-sized Leolani ukulele. It's a Hawaiian company. They make absolutely amazing looking and beautiful sounding ukes. They also do carry the Kumu series. And because they love you so much, they're like, Ricky, we want to give your viewers just money off. They just want to take money off, just like that. They want to give you $10 off if you use code Ricky10 at checkout at www.leolaniukulele.com on any of their ukuleles, their Leolani or Kumu series, or any of their products. Again, use Ricky10 at checkout and you'll save automatically $10 off. Who doesn't love to save money? I know I love to. So make sure to use that code Ricky10 at checkout. Also, we have links down below for the merch. I'm currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie. We also have the Potato Squad merch. merch. And finally, links to all of my socials. Just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me on your most used socials. There's TikTok, Patreon, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure to add me on any of those. Let me know what video you came from. Anyways, I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.